Hi my friends, it is Ian. Thank you for watching this video. This is a training video on the new advanced drag and drop page builder. One or two members have been waiting for this. We've got a basic version and now we've got a more advanced version where it combines some of the late great Martin Chandler's builder with the new AI builder. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to get into BuildABizOnline, so let me just close that down. Okay, and I'm going to log into BuildABizOnline by using RoboForm. If you want a link for that, please let me know, and you can get the free version or the upgraded version. And it is fantastic because I can remember nothing nowadays. So here we go, we're going to log in. Okay, so you know that this is a copy of your members area, and what we need to do, we need to click on My Marketing Tools. I've tidied this up a little bit. All the free tools are at the top now. There is a basic rotator, and then there is a more advanced one in the Pro Tools down the bottom amongst all that. But what I want to do at the moment, this is the basic drag and drop. This is the more advanced drag and drop. So we're going to click on there. This is one I saved earlier. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click rebuild, and that should clear everything out of there except for these two that I did build. It always saves them for some strange reason. But what I want to do is to show you this. These three things were incorporated in Martin's page builder, template builder. But this now is a template builder plus the content as well. So what I've done is combined them. Okay, and I built this using some magic in my head, but AI. Okay, we are AI assisted, and this is good. Now then, with the page background, let me just have a look at this. First of all, I want to just make sure that's on 50%. I think that's plenty, but we've got different widths for you. We've got 100% there, and I don't tend to build them 100%. This page now that you can see that the builder is 100%. That is necessary. But when it comes down to building capture pages, splash pages, they all need to be small and they need to fit in the window of an average traffic exchange or something like that, okay? That happens a lot now. A lot of people are using traffic exchanges to find the traffic that they need. And so it needs to fit in one of them. Now you can either have a background color, which it's there. Now if I wanted to choose the background color, let me drag this down. Oops, what's happening here? No, color, I said, thank you. Let me have a look at the color. Color, what color do I want? I want something like this, like a grey, okay? That makes the content stick out. Now, I know a lot of you love videos and images. So if you click on image, that's where you would add a hosted image for your background. If you wanted a YouTube, then you would paste the ID or the full URL in that box just there. Okay, you would have to choose it, but I'm going to go with color. Okay, next we'll close that down and we'll go to sticky bar. Now the sticky bar is what you see at the top. Now I can either have that on or off. Okay, but sometimes I do want one in there, so I'm going to leave that as it is. You can see that that's working just there, and I've got that set to join.php ? And then my username, so that's good. Right, check it out now, and that's good. I could alter, let's just alter the page background. Yeah, that's more closer to one of the colours that we like to use over at BuildABizOnline. Text colour, exactly the same. Button colour, just click on that, drag it around, and you get the idea. But I like that colour. So that's good. So once we've done with the sticky bar, okay, once we've done with the sticky bar, then we need to go up to the top and just click on that. Now I want the exit pop-up. Now, do I want one? Yes or no? It's entirely up to you. But this, I'm going to say yes. And this is the one that I created earlier, so I'm going to stick with that. But all you do before you go, and then your little message, your button colour, and whatever. Ooh, that's not good. Let's have a look at that. / question mark. That's better. And that is my homepage. Great. Now then, the button colour there. The text colour is blue, and the background is white. But you know we can alter that to whatever you want. Okay. I think white is good. It pops. It does. So we'll go back up here because I've done with that now, and then I can close this down so it's not irritating me. Now then, when it comes to your blocks, this is important. Okay, so we're going to drag a block into there. I like that, but I'm going to knock it down to 22. Okay. You can add rich text. I said rich text, thank you. And then you can make this do whatever you wish. Now, if I was to add your short, clear message here, keep it simple and focus on one action. But what you can do with this as well, if you want to make it a little bit deeper, let's just say I've listed, let's just go up here, just some of our solutions. Now, a lot of our older members, we used to be tools, but these are solution. All our tools are solutions, and that's what people need. We are promoting solutions to affiliate marketers' challenges, okay, and that's what we do. Just some of our solutions then, and then I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to put right, okay, that's one. I'm going to go underneath. I'm going to put, let's have a look, URL rotator. These are just examples. This is no means a proper advertising page, okay? I'm just showing you how this tool works. Okay, we're going to do, oops, sorry, my bad. Okay, and then what you can do with this then, if you highlight it, you can create bullet points or you can number it. Okay, so you can do all sorts with this. It is like a little WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Paragraph builder. Now then, so that's the headline, the rich. You can have a button, you can have images, you can have bullets, which similar to that. You can have a divider in there, a spacer in there, YouTube video in there, opt-in forms, so you can make it into a capture page, a countdown timer. Let me just pop one of those in there. Okay, and what I would do then is just alter the date. Now, we are nowhere near that, but we are near July. Okay, so I'm going to do that and do that and do that. And that will go live when we make the page live. We've got testimonial boxes, feature boxes, notice box, we've got facts, we've got pop-up, progress bars. Let's put a progress bar in there. Something like that, okay? And then we can alter it all down on the right hand side. Floating buttons and so on. Okay? Now, that is exactly how it works. Now, in the other video, in the basic one, it explains more about the top end up here. But we do have templates, and let me just try this. So I love this one. The video one is fantastic. So once you choose one, then make sure you click it. Okay? Click that out of the way, but that is a really good one. What I would do with this, though, I would definitely tidy it up, because headlines to me should go in the center and paragraphs should go to the left or center. I wouldn't put that in, so I'm going to delete that bit, and I'm going to try that. Yes, that works nicely. Highlight it and put it in the center. Log in and start step one. Why not? That's it. That's exactly how I'd have it. Now, because I loaded a template, I lost my background color, so I'm going to go back up to the top just to show you can do that. And if you mess about with adding other templates, you're going to have to start your background again. But it does keep your sticky bar, and it does keep your opt-out as well, your opt-out message. Now, let us say that this is complete. I'm happy. I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to copy the code. Okay, so, oops, sorry. Select all, copy the code. That's done that. Close that down. And now I'm going to host it. And you'll see I have another one hosted as well. I'm going to paste that in that box. I'm going to call it Babu1. And I'll show you why I've just done that. Babu1. It's all about BuildABizOnline, and it's number one. Host me. Okay, so I've done that because if you add a big title, you're going to get a massive URL. But you can use the cloak, shrink, brand, and everything else to shrink this link right down. It's entirely up to you. But shall we try it? Let's have a look. There it is. Now this, remember, is 50%. You can do 60%, 70% width, and so on and so forth. And that would make a very good page for something like a traffic exchange. Okay. Now, I would possibly take out the sticky bar if I was advertising in just traffic exchanges, because they're windows. Because they've got that many games and other distractions going on, they might miss something. But did you see that? As soon as I went off the page, before you go, your exit pop-up came up, okay? And I think you'll find that this is a fantastic tool. So I'm looking forward to seeing new members using it, and I would love to see your creations. Okay, my friend. Now, in one of the templates, there is another, let's have a look here. There is another template in there, which is a 2-column. Okay, 75, 25. 75, 25. Now, you can't quite see it in here, but there it is. It looks strange in here, but you can add some of the elements down there, or the blocks, as we call them, in here. Your main will go there, and then some of your side would go in this side. And it looks rubbish until you host it. Then it looks perfect. But while you're working on it, it's going to be strange and squashed. Okay. So there we have it. The more advanced drag and drop page builder too. So thanks for listening, and bye for now.